So, guys, our array lecture is over. So, I will just give you an overview about it. So, this was an array. This is a fixed size array. Size is 5, and these are the elements. These are the continuous blocks of the memory. I hope everyone is clear about, clear about the concepts. If anyone has any questions, any doubts, you can feel free to ask me.
मैम कभी कभी हमको एक क्वेश्चन मिला था जिसमें डायनेमिक बनानी चाहिए लिस्ट, तो उसको कैसे करते हैं?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है लिंक लिस्ट. सो लिंक लिस्ट इज बेसिकली डायनेमिक एरे ओनली. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि एरे का आपने साइज डिफाइन कर दिया 5, सो दैट इज फिक्स्ड. आप उसके बाद यू कांट ऐड मोर नोड्स, क्योंकि आपने ऑलरेडी एक मेमोरी स्पेस एलोकेट कर दिया है 5 नोड्स का इधर. बट अगर हमें डायनेमिक एरे बनाना है, मतलब वी डोंट हैव एनी फिक्स साइज इन माइंड, देयर कैन बी मेनी एलिमेंट्स, वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग इन पर्टिकुलर, तो तब हम लोग यूज करते हैं लिंक लिस्ट. सो हेयर व्हाट वी डू इज, सो ये जो 2 है इसको हमने यहाँ पे कहीं भी एक डिसकंटिन्यूअस नोड की तरह कहीं भी एक मतलब मेमोरी स्पेस एलोकेट कर दिया. 3 को कहीं एलोकेट कर दिया, 5 को कहीं और एलोकेट कर दिया, 7 को कहीं और एलोकेट कर दिया, 9 को कहीं और एलोकेट कर दिया. ऐसे ही अगर हमारे पास कोई और भी एलिमेंट आता है तो उसको हम एलोकेट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे हम लोग इन दोनों इन सबको कनेक्ट कैसे करेंगे, इनको एक लिंक लिस्ट मतलब एक लिस्ट में कैसे बनाएंगे. यहाँ पे इसका नेक्स्ट जो पॉइंटर है, मतलब बेसिकली जो 3 का एड्रेस है वो इसके नोड में स्टोर होगा. इसके पास हमारे पास 5 का एड्रेस स्टोर होगा, 7 का एड्रेस हम 5 में स्टोर करेंगे. ये सब नोड्स होते हैं. तो मैं एक ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू दे रही हूँ लिंक लिस्ट का. राइट. तो इसमें हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं. तो ये एक लिंक लिस्ट है, यहाँ पर सब एलिमेंट्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. राइट. और इसमें हर नोड में एक वैल्यू एलिमेंट होता है और एक नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट जो है वो दूसरे नोड के एड्रेस को पॉइंट आउट करता है. तो दिस वे वी कैन एलोकेट, मतलब डायनेमिक एरे हम बना सकते हैं. आई
मैम
होप
क्या
योर
इसमें
डाउट इज क्लियर.
क्लास यूज करना चाहिए या ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करना चाहिए?
सॉरी.
क्लास यूज करना चाहिए या ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करना चाहिए?
So this value and next, this is basically a blueprint of the node, right? ये एक क्लास होगी, नोड क्लास. उसके बाद हम एक हेड, इसमें जो अब अगर आपने इतना सब पूछ ही लिया तो मैं पूरा आपको बता ही देती हूँ. तो इसमें हम लोग एक हेड ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे, वो एक नोड होगी. राइट. सो
ओके,
ऐसे
बट
ऐसे करके हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे.
नोड को ऑब्जेक्ट बना के काम बेटर रहेगा या क्लास क्लास बनानी चाहिए? ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास.
नोड तो क्लास होगी ना,
ओके ओके.
जिसमें हमने
But we can use
डिफाइन किया है
object as
वैल्यू
well.
और नेक्स्ट.
But
उसके
I
बाद
think we can use object as well, right? For
सॉरी.
node to create and to define a node, we can use struct or object.
Yeah, struct also we can use. So depending on the language, in Java you don't have anything like struct, so you can use simply class. So here in C++ you can use struct.
Okay okay okay. So which
Yeah.
is preferred?
So if you are using in C++, then mostly we use struct, because it is a simple structure, right? So there you use struct. But if you are using Java, then there is no other option, rather than using class, so you have to use class only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you create a code base for some sample code base, simple code base only, like how to create node and how to create linked list as a class?
Sure, sure. So basically, node consists of, so this is Java code, right? So you have a int value, that is a 2, 3, whatever the value is, right, of that node. So this is value, right? Next will be the next pointer. Uh, so this also will be a node only, right? So the pointer to this, so the memory location to this, we will store in this node, right? Similarly, in this node, we will store here. So it will be class node int value and then node next. And for locating the start of the linked list, we store, that is the head. This is the head node. So if we have the head node, we can head node may we will have the address of the next particular node. And subsequently, we can iterate through the whole linked list. So this way we can create a linked list, create a node class, and then create a head object.
Okay okay okay.
Yeah.
So I think you will be covering this in the next topic as well, right?
Yeah, obviously we will be covering everything. I can tell you some more topics also which we will be covering, that is types of linked list. So you might need something like you want to store the previous element as well, right? So in that
Yes.
case, doubly linked list comes into picture. You might want to store the so this is the types of linked list that we have: single linked list.
The question what I was trying is the circular link, how to detect circle in linked list. So
Okay.
I able to connect the node like without knowing the linked list, but I don't know how to filter out like if it's a circle or not.
Okay, so for a circular linked list, how is it different from a single linked list? So this is a single linked list, right? So every node is connected to the next node. So circular linked list, how is it different? ये जो last node होती है, this one is a tail node. Okay, this is called
Okay.
tail node, and the first node, as I told you, this is the head node, right? So tail will be connected to head. सो टेल का जो नेक्स्ट है, अगर सिंगल लिंक लिस्ट में इफ यू सी, तो टेल का जो नेक्स्ट है दैट इज लास्ट एलिमेंट, इट इज नॉट पॉइंटिंग टू एनीथिंग, तो लास्ट एलिमेंट का नेक्स्ट हमेशा नल होगा. बट इफ यू गो थ्रू अ सर्कुलर लिंक लिस्ट, तो लास्ट एलिमेंट जो है उसका जो टेल का नेक्स्ट है वो हेड को पॉइंट करेगा.
बट ये तो मेरे से हो गया था, बट इसमें एक एजुकेट सोच रहा था कि अ, कहीं हेड जो सर्कल है वो 5 7 9 के बीच में बन रहा हो.
You are talking about cyclic linked list.
Yes, cyclic. Yeah.
I think that is the correct name, right?
Yes, cyclic. Yes.
So you are saying कि 5 7 9 के बीच में ऐसे साइकिल बन रहा है.
Yeah, 9 has the next node of 5. So this was the edge case that was like blocking me to submit in lead code. I was trying.
Okay.
So
Okay, let
yeah,
me just correct your case. So this is like this, okay.
yes.
So what was your problem? Like you want to identify if this is a cyclic like link
Yes.
or what?
Because like in the previous question was like I just had to store the head value, and I can just do the one single if loop and if check, and it was solved. But this edge case I was not able to handle because this 2 3 5 7 it is dynamic, right?
Yeah.
There could be n numbers, so I can't. So it will be n square complexity if I do a worst case scenario. So how to optimize that?
Okay. So in this one, you need a very basic maths concept that you must have studied. So let's say you are starting from here, right? And like let's say two people are starting from here. Let's say A and B. Okay, and A
Okay.
moves one step at a time and B moves two steps at a time. So A will reach here, B will reach here, right? After that, A
Okay.
again moves to one step, that is A will reach here, B will reach here. So let's say it does not have any cycle, so A and B will never meet, right? That is I
Yes.
clear to you. But if it has cycle, so there is a possibility that they will meet. So B will again if you see two steps, it will point to this 7 node, right? And A will
Okay.
point to this A node, this 7 node. So here A and B are meeting, right? This happened because there was a cycle in the node. That's why it could come. There was a circular path basically somewhere in the list. So that's how you can detect whether there is a cycle or not. So you will start with two pointers. Both will start from the head node, right? And you will move one pointer by two steps, and the second one you will move by one step. Okay, and if they
Got it.
meet at somewhere, right, so that means there is a cycle in the linked list. So
Okay.
I can write a pseudocode also for
No.
you.
That I think that this is fine. I will write myself.
Yeah,
Or if I have doubt, I will ask in the TA session.
sure.
I
Yeah,
think
TA
this is it.
session you can get everything. Our TA is very enthusiastic competitive coder, and he will help you out with everything: code related problems, pseudocode related problems, everything.
Got it.
Anything else, guys, if you have any doubts?
When is the next lecture, ma'am?
So next lecture will be next week,
Okay.
same Sunday, same timing.
Okay.
Yeah. So
ठीक है,
as I
ठीक है.
already told you about circular linked list, let's cover double linked list also. So single linked list you already know, right? In double linked list, what is the difference? So here it will not be like a node is like no tail is connected to head. Here we have the previous pointers also. So 3 will be pointing to 2 as well. 7 will be pointing to 5, this one. Yeah, so I think this is the case over here.